Welcome to H Gamer Reload. Previously we made a Tarbosaurus enclosure, now we're going to work on a Spinosaurus one. Now let's move. Next we're going to do Ceratosaurus then Coelophysis, but first we're going to... I accidentally released that. That's okay. Okay, we released 2 Spinosauruses. We were supposed to release 3, but I accidentally released into the Eupocephalus enclosure. Out in chat, everyone. Now let's make this all dirty. So this is kind of like the swamp. What we're going to do with this area. We're just going to make all this dirty. Then after this we're going to add some foliage. Then after the Ceratosaurus and also the Coelophysis video, we're going to do another aquatic. Then after that, another flying creature. Okay, here's all of our plants. Let's add this into the water. This into the habitat. Some palm trees. And this is what a swamp looks like. So this is our swamp for our Spinosaurus. This is the perfect environment for the Spinosaurus. There's a bunch of water everywhere. It's very swampy. It's a huge environment, so there's lots of room. Ooh, I love this skin pattern. It's so cool. It's so cool with the red sail. This looks like the Spinosaurus Gen 2 from Jurassic World, the game a little bit. Nah, the Spinosaurus with this environment looks so cool. Let's add some rocks. Around this environment. Okay, here's our Spinosaurus environment. It's all done. So this is what it looks like. And here's our Spinosaurus enclosure. Goodbye, everyone.